Itakiapi, my very, very beloved relatives of our human family of the sacred lands of Slovenia. I'm very thankful to be here with you today with my dear spiritual sister, Alenka, who so kindly invited me to join you at this time of celebrating oneness, the reality of the prior unity and oneness of our human family and all life, and the spiritual reality that the hurt of one is a hurt of all, and the healing and restoration of one is a healing and restoration of all. And so I'm so thankful to be here with you in your sacred land that goes back, we know at least, where humans, relatives, and tribes and nations walked 250,000 years ago, one of the most ancient places on Mother Earth. And so tonight we want to pray for all our ancestors, all our relatives that go back to the very beginning, that in a way has no beginning. And so with that, I want to offer this prayer for all, not just our human family, but all life, but especially remembering what we call Shunkawakan, the horse, these beautiful horses that we have such a love for. And one of the connections I had with my dear spiritual sister was our love for horses, and my father particularly was what we call a true horse whisperer. And so I know you love horses there in Slovenia as well. So, O Tenkashla, creator of the universe, most beloved one, all powerful one, most kind one, most compassionate one, ever forgiving one. O ancient of days, O blessed beauty, we call upon your holy power and all our relatives who are with us close in our closest vein to bless this sacred fire, to bless all our relatives gathered together in the unseen and the seen world in Slovenia. With my dear spiritual sister, Alenka. And Creator, we give thanksgiving for all that's come in our path, for we know everything that comes to us comes for our own spiritual perfection and growth and development. We give thanksgiving to all those tribes nations to the east, from where comes the red sunrise. They may come together in unity and harmony and understanding of oneness of all life. We call upon all those tribes and nations of the south, from where comes new life, to come together in unity and harmony, in the understanding of the oneness of all life. We call upon all those tribes and nations of the west, from where comes thunder, lightning, and rain, to come together in unity and harmony in this time of oneness and understanding. We call upon all those tribes and nations of the north, from where comes the white snow, and purifying north winds to purify our hearts and minds, and come together in unity and harmony, and understand that each of us is born in this physical world of time and space, a sovereignty, ancient, imperishable, and everlasting. And Creator, we give thanksgiving this time to Father Sky, and remembering all the masculine dimensions of this life. And we ask to understand what it is to be a good grandfather, a good father, a good husband, a good friend, a good uncle, a good nephew, a good grandson. All those dimensions of who we are as human beings and all those qualities. And we ask forgiveness for our awkward ways that have brought us to this time of great change. And we can see that we need to understand to go forward. The eagle of humanity has two wings. One is man and one is woman. Until both wings of that eagle have equal power and respect in the understanding of the oneness that we are. For our soul has no ethnicity. Our soul has no gender. Our soul as a reflection of the oneness of the creator of this universe, far beyond and transcending the world of names, far beyond. And Creator, we give a special thanksgiving and honor to our Mother Earth, who symbolizes those mothers who brought us forth into this life. And we give thanksgiving for our mothers, no matter what, for just giving this precious, precious life, and for our fathers for that as well. You've given us this beautiful life, Creator. And now is the time for us to awaken to our true spirituality, to our true nature as spiritual beings, and come together in unity and harmony. So I wish all our relatives in the beautiful sacred lands of Slovenia this time as you gather together, a wonderful time. And may that sacred fire burn away from our hearts anything that does not allow us to feel the beautiful divine love of who we are and our divinity and sacredness as a human being. Hauli chante washtelo shinkmano hemeado chinupasapa hemeado hauli chante washte. In our Dakota language, when we conclude what we're saying, we say, my names are Shunkmano and Chinupasapa, and I stand responsible before the Creator for my words and my actions. So I thank you again so much. May you have a most wondrous time as we move forward towards the beginning of peace on earth by 2030, meaning that our prophecies are very clear. We don't know what's going to happen, but by that time, the nation states of Mother Earth will come together and make a binding agreement, a binding treaty. There will be no more war upon this Mother Earth, and that will begin a process of truly the emergence of peace on earth in all dimensions of our human societies in a beautiful way of unity and diversity. Haulimi chante washtelo shukmano hemeado chinupasapa hemeado haulimi chante washte. And I want to conclude with a prayer for unity that was passed on to me more than 50 years ago in Bolivia. And I know it's in a language, a high language that is beautiful as well as our prayers from our heart. Oh my God, unite the hearts of thy servants, and reveal unto them thy great purpose. May they follow in thy commandments and abide in thy law. Help them, O God, in their endeavor, and grant them strength to serve thee. O God, leave them not to themselves, but guide their steps with the light of knowledge, and cheer their hearts by thy love. Verily, thou art their helper, and their guide, and their inspirer. How